In the next couple of movies, we're going to be looking at a critical component of cinematography, and that is the axis of action, also called the 180-degree line, or even just referred to as the line for short. Before we understand the line, we need to understand a concept called spatial continuity. This is the sense that the audience understands the space that they're seeing. This is really important, often neglected by new filmmakers. You see, while we're filming on set, we see the whole space. We see the room. We see everything there. We understand the location spatially. But when the audience just sees the footage, they're just looking into these 2D windows of the space, and one at a time. So it can be hard to put all those pieces together mentally and feel comfortable with the location and what that feels like to be there with the characters. And if an audience is confused about the spatial continuity, then you run the risk of losing their attention. The 180-degree line is one of the most important tools to help the audience with spatial continuity. The 180-degree line is an imaginary line between a character and whatever they're interacting with. The 180-degree rule states that once a camera is used on one side of this line, all shots must be from the same hemisphere, or in other words, from the same side of the line. Now, this line can be created by two characters talking to each other, or a character just looking at another character, or even at an inanimate object. Now, why is this line so important? Well, a lot of it has to do with eye lines. On this side of the line, the character is looking frame left, and this character is looking frame right. So when we edit these clips together, these characters will appear to be looking at each other and having a conversation. Any shot from this side of the line will have those same eye lines. But if you shot this character from this side, which makes their eye line frame left, and then shot the other character from the other side of the line, that would make their eye line frame left as well. Because of this breach in spatial continuity, the audience would be left feeling like these characters are both talking to a third person off screen. Now, occasionally you might want to cross the line. It takes some work, but you can do it. We did this on the Assurance, and we'll show you how we did it in the next tutorial.